Hey friends! So I have an amazing haul that I got today. So I wanted to come and make a video of all the things I got. I went to Goodwill, Walmart, and Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree, I got some painter's tape to refill and some pencil lead to refill, so just refill items. And then I got a little boy from church, I got him some fun little things. Oh, and yay, I got a box for all my large ephemera. I like kept piling it in places and it kept falling, so I needed something. So that was my Dollar Tree stuff. It's a little hot. So I don't want you to look back there. Our dryer broke and there's laundry all over my room. Anyways, so on to next stop. Let's see if I can find the Walmart stuff, maybe. Just a couple things at Walmart. More refill stuff. I like these tape runners. So mine just ran out because I use them all the time because I just did a big project. You're gonna see videos coming soon. Christmas in July 2026. Yay, Secret Santa. I sent it off this morning. Can't wait for you guys to see what I made. Anyways, some more sticker paper from Walmart. And I saw this frame, so I'm gonna try and paint over this picture like I did last time in that other frame. And then saw these in clearance. How fun are these napkins? I'm sure I can use them in some kind of crafting junk journal way. So those are my Walmart finds. And now for the big one. I'm going to show you guys my big old Goodwill find. So I like to get frames for all the artwork I do. And I have a show this week, so I had to go get some more frames. So how cute is this frame? And then I can reuse the family photos and stuff in it for some junk journaling or scrapbooking. Just a nice 8x10. I mean, you gotta love it. This was $6. This one, $3. That's not good. Oh, it was unlocked. Sorry, folks. Almost dropped the glass there. Let's fix that. All right. How pretty is this? Like $5. All right. Some of them were discounted. I don't remember. Oh, this cute little boy. But really, I just liked the frame. But I can reuse that somehow. All about the reusing. So yeah, I took my paintings in with me to see what frames I could find that would fit them. Just a simple black frame. And then thought this frame was pretty. And so is the painting. So I'll reuse that somehow. And this one was only $5 as well. So, I mean, look. Look at that. How cool is that? It's all blurry. Why is the picture all blurry? There we go. I don't know why. But, so those are those frames. I had to take this apart to get it home. But it's one of those little... Now, I think it's meant to be Christmassy. I don't want it to be Christmassy. So I'm going to repaint this sucker. One of those DIY projects. So I got to find the other one. But a nice little table sitting thing. And that'll go hopefully on our kitchen table at some point. And it feels like a lot of it's in here. 400 sheets of 4x6 painting picture that I can print on my printer. Great for scrapbooking. Alright. Oh my gosh, this is a Penn State, no, probably people are think, yearbook from 1986. But I just loved the material, and I'm like, I want to make this into an art journal. I can't wait. And I can use what I don't use. I can use in scrapbooking and stuff. All about the multi-purposing. And here's the top of that other thing, which I probably should leave apart. This I bought for the sole purpose of the hymnal pages for, once again, junk journaling, scrapbooking, that kind of thing. Another pretty frame. And then another pretty frame. And a pretty photo that I might reuse. A big frame. Another big frame. And once again, probably reuse the artwork in it. And I never showed what I got the other day. When I went thrift shopping the other day, I got some antique books to make junk journals or art journals or that kind of stuff out of. So got a whole, well, this one I bought from a friend online, but it's also a hymnal. So lots of that kind of stuff. This is our book that I want to rebind. I got some pretty fabric. I think that was Walmart. I think this was Walmart as well. And look at this cute little frame. This was also from Goodwill at one point. And how cute is that? Cute frame, Goodwill, but also want to paint my own picture to go. I'm going to repaint this. Maybe paint over the butterfly or paint around it. Thought this was so pretty. I actually would want to cut it out and use it on a journal or something. Sorry, friends. That makes you sad. How cute is this little guy? That was a Goodwill find. A Hardy Boys book. These were from Faith Center in Bellefonte, another thrift store. A Fun Pennsylvania book. All of these, I just want to redo them, remake them. And another just very nice book. It says the family album, but it's actually a book, so I'm not quite sure why it says the family album on it. This I got for our daughter because she wanted some of her wedding flowers pressed, and it's also a photo album, so I thought she'd enjoy that. And last but not least, some more photo paper. And then I just have random odds and ends in that bag. And that's it, friends. What a haul, right? It was so fun. I'm so excited. Yay! All right. Happy crafting, happy shopping, happy day. All right, have a good one.